In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tax-excluded and tax-included pricing in Odoo. We'll walk through how to configure a tax properly so Odoo calculates prices the way you expect, whether the price you enter already includes tax, or whether tax should be added on top. This is especially useful when you're working with customer invoices, vendor bills, or different pricing rules depending on your region. To begin, open the accounting app in Odoo. Once you're there, go to Configuration, then Taxes. This is where you can manage all the tax rules used across your accounting documents. Next, select an existing tax if you want to update one that's already in use, or click New if you want to create a new tax from scratch. After that, enter the tax name. Make the name clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later when applying it to invoices or other transactions. Then choose the appropriate tax type, such as sales or purchases. This matters because it determines where and how the tax will be used in your accounting workflow. After that, select the tax computation method and enter the tax rate in the amount field. This defines how Odoo will calculate the tax, so make sure the method and rate match your actual tax requirement. Now open the Advanced Options tab. In this section, find the Included in Price setting. Click the drop-down next to it and choose the option that fits your pricing method. If you want the price you enter on an invoice line to already include tax, choose the Tax Included option. If you want Odoo to calculate tax on top of the entered price, choose the Tax Excluded option. You can also leave it on default if you want Odoo to follow its standard behavior for that tax. Once that's done, configure any other tax options as needed. Depending on your setup, these additional settings may affect reporting, account mapping, or how the tax appears on documents. Also make sure Active is enabled. Otherwise, the tax may not be available when you try to use it. Then, save the tax configuration. To test everything, create or open an invoice and apply the configured tax to an invoice line. Finally, review the untaxed amount, taxes, and total. This is the best way to confirm that the tax behavior is correct and that your pricing is being treated as tax included or tax excluded exactly as intended. And that's how to manage tax excluded and tax included pricing in Odoo.